We're going in. This is the store. Alright. These shoelaces. Nice. And all kinds of pretty purses. Few things. Make car keys. All kinds of these. It even has Birkenstocks, pajama shoes, all kind of key rings, umbrellas. Look at the Birkenstocks, just moving. More purses, nice leather bags, wallets. Yeah, luggage tags. Ponchos, more purses, nice, watch bands, more purses, these guys more purses. Then, also got keyless entry battery station to change the batteries and what keyless for the coffee.